Those of you who follow my channel know that I pretty much screw up all of my episodes. Here are some outtakes and bloopers that didn't make the cutting room floor. I hope you enjoy. And as always, I want to thank my All Access Pineapple patrons for helping to support the channel so that I can bring you content. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and share this channel with your friends. Okay, let's get to business.
Hi, Joanna.
Hello, Charmaine. Get out of my way. First of all, I just want to show you my new car. It holds 2 bottles of rosé, in case you were wondering. I'm classy like that. Y'all make sure you aim high, but come home for dinner. Meow. I cook food sometimes, and when I'm not cooking food, I am eating food. And when I'm not eating food, I'm thinking about food. So join me in the kitchen. It's that way. That's not the kitchen. You're taking me out in the night to kill me?
No, I'm taking you out in the night to kill you.
I just need to know if you are going. If you could please stop at a Jack in the Box. I need 3 crisp tacos. Adam the Paranormal Polynesian reporting live from Fillmore, Utah. Yes, Fillmore, the original capital of Utah. I'm here because Andrew, he's tired already, and he dragged my ass out of bed, said he would drive us to Mesquite, but he's already falling asleep, so I think he's maybe driven 70 miles, if that. Maybe he has...
Narcolepsy.
Are you narcoleptic?
Yes.
Narcolepsy. What? That sounds like a drag name.
My name is Narcolepsy.
Here we are at the bubbling geyser type hot springs in Yellowstone National Park. This area is quite warm, but the water looks very clear. However, there is the slight reek.
Mama, smells like farts over here. See, look. It's called sulfur gas. Come on now. How much? How much? How much? How much you charging?
Oh, I'm a dime.
A dime? It's too much. What a delightfully busy restaurant. We must be at Buca de Beppo. Oh, can we go to that cemetery on the way back? My throat hurts from screaming in my sleep. My voice hurts from my night terrors.
Your voice hurts me too.
Oh no!
I'm being honest.
Well, your face hurts me, so especially this early in the morning. I'm literally so bored. Andrew? Footloose? Never gonna kill a loose. Keep up the Sunday shoes. This next song is dedicated to you, Andrew.
Gracias.
De nada.
I thought that dreams belong to other men.
I have hair in my mouth. Paradise. You ready for this one, bitch?
Heck yeah. Traffic right now.
Oh, well, sucks to be you.
Somebody's eyes are watching. Somebody's eyes are seeing you come and go. Somebody's out there waiting for the show.
Sorry. I don't know why, but I started smoking on this trip. I mean, is that a thing? I guess it is. Don't smoke, it's not good for you. Guess I'm going through a midlife crisis here. I think that's what you do when you're in Pennsylvania, is you just smoke. You smoking point, I've noticed. I may never show this to anyone. So it's not my finest hour. Hey, but at least I'm not smoking, right? Reporting live from the carousel at Recreation Park in Binghamton, New York. Yeah, we're in New York, not Utah today. Just remember, until I see you next time, whew, keep it paranormal. Ow, I just fell on a whole I love a casino. Huh? I'm gonna win big, bitches. I'm gonna win real big. I'm not. I never win. Hi, Little Mermaid. How's it going?
You want to see a butterfly?
Yeah. Show us. Oh my god! Well, we're here at the buffet, and it looks just like the buffet in Vegas Vacation when Clark Griswold loses all his money and has to fight in the ghetto casino, and his cousin Eddie is like, I'll have some of the yellow, but don't get cheap on me now. Hey guys, it's Adam here. I just woke up and we have all these new friends.
It's my birthday.
It's her birthday! No boundaries this one. He has no boundaries. Am I tripping on acid right now? Party update, you guys. It's been a few hours. The girls left. I have a new mustache. It's called the Charlie Chaplin. I hope you enjoyed it. So everyone got me drunk and then left, and now I'm wide awake and everyone's in bed. So isn't that just the way that life works sometimes? So I guess I'm gonna go wander the strip like a whore, and hopefully, you know, no one takes me in a van, but you only live once. Andrew, this was the best trip ever. We should do it again. I'm lying. This is Estes Park downtown, y'all. This town is just like my legs. They're closed for business and there's nobody inside.
That was not content.
Why not? I've been doing sexual innuendos all vacation. The whole vacation. This is a martini that's very dirty. Like you say. When you drink a martini, it's just vodka, but you gotta be classy about it, okay?
Let's go.
We just finished eating, and it was so good that I had to put my sunglasses on. You know what I mean?
That's true. I think you're a dark soul.
I think you're a dark entity, and I need to call the exorcist to exorcise the demon.
It's my favorite spot because you see.
Oh, yeah.
That was not smooth.
That was just a delight, you guys. Did you have fun? Zippity-doo-dah-dee. If you liked what you saw and you want to join me on my spooky fun travels, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends about me. Until I see you all next time, remember, keep it paranormal.